Greetings to you traders. It is Tuesday, November 17th, 2020, and your cherry bomb trade is in for today. First off, let me apologize. I didn't get my video done yesterday. One word, Benadryl. Yeah. So I took one Sunday night, and boy, was I zonked still when my alarm went off. So, life happens. So anyway, maybe you've experienced Benadryl hangovers. I did for sure. But anyway, FXE, that's what we're going to be looking at today. So today's cherry bomb, of course, coming from Tasty Trade, involves FXE, the ETF that tracks the euro. It has a liquidity rank of 3 out of 4, an IV rank of 20. So we're definitely looking at some, low premiums. That's what we're going to buy in a debit spread today, a long call vertical. Well, at least we're going to explore it as a potential for your portfolio. So without further ado, let's head on in to our platform. But hey, let me introduce myself. My name is Neil, in case you're new to this channel. I know my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for all your loyal views. I'll know that already, but in case you're new, my name's Neil. This is Option Theory, and what we do here is we build out a simulated trading portfolio for us to practice, to remove the fear by just going through the motions and the mechanics and proving to ourselves that we can do this. If you're interested in joining us, feel free to, of course, always subscribe and like, but and all that jazz. You can do that whenever you want. We'll be here doing our thing. But head on down to that description. You want to get signed up with Tasty Trade's email list, right? I don't get anything from them, but you should get their emails. That's all you get. If you ask them for their email, they'll send you an email. They don't sell you stuff. That's what we do here. We build out a portfolio of primarily cherry bomb trades. And on Mondays, if I'm not in a hangover from Benadryl, right? And I'm not kidding. It's actually Benadryl, nothing else. I'd like to do viewer trades, but bummer, I didn't get any viewer suggested trades or tickers. So if you, all you have to do is give me a ticker symbol. It might be fun because if you pick a ticker, maybe in your mind, you come up with a trade idea that you would use on that particular stock. Let's see how it compares to what I come up with. But anyway, let's get cracking here. We're going to go to the Analyze tab. We're going to go to Add Simulated Trade. We're going to type in FXE. I'm going to hit Enter, and that's going to be what we're looking at right now. We're going to be closing the December 24th and going to December 31st weekly expirations. So that's going to probably cause a significant hit to our liquidity. So let's go right down to the at the money when we're doing debit spreads, and we'll see the open interest looks pretty miserable. So what the cherry bomb trade has us looking at here is the 110.50 buying it and then selling the 112 for a $1.50 wide debit spread here. We're looking at taking a debit of 78 cents, right? So we'll see, of course, what is our maximum profit? Well, I'll take away the width, but let's screw the math. It's a little early for me right now. Our max profit here, of course, is if FXE rallies, would be $72. We're risking $78. But what do we get in return for that? Well, let's set the date to the proper date. And that's this Jan 1. Yep, right there. And then let's set our price slices to break even at expiration. We're looking at a 52% probability of profit. Pretty standard for our debit spreads. But the P50 that we get for this one is 59%. So it is better than the email that you got, I think. Or is it the exact same? It says 69% in the email that we get. But if I pull up the same trade here, it's the same. 59% probability of profit and a 69% P50. So there's almost a 70% chance that in the next 44 days, we'll pull off half of that $72. And that's fine. That's what we're looking to do here. Play the trade often, trade small and trade often, right? So with that probabilities discussed, I'm going to go ahead and right click that trade and choose confirm and send. Review our max profit of 72, our max loss of 78. Throw that into my portfolio here. It's in my working orders. And this is where I recently got another comment asking me about how I manage my trades during the day. And let's be real, right? It would be perfect if we could be Tom and Tony and all the other Tasty traders that work at Tasty Trade to just be sitting behind the computer screen and it being okay and company policy to trade while you work, right? But that's not most of us. So as much as I would like to follow Mike, one of our loyal viewers here, his advice is setting good till cancel orders, I don't always get to do that. So while I place this trade, it's not a bad idea to set an alert, right? Create an alert for when this is worth 35 more cents, right? So you can go ahead and do that. I'm not going to do that right now because I want to just briefly mention this idea over here. So a while back, not that long ago, we did a trade in Beyond. And I just wanted to point out how that trading small and trading often and having defined risk, okay, look, it's a loss. It's probably going to be a loss. I don't think Beyond's going to rally, all right, to 130 or higher. I think 135 is what I need. But I can sleep at night and I'm not ruining my account, right, by making a undefined risk trade. So sometimes that whole defined risk works out so you can sleep at night, right? So I wonder how you did. Did you do the Beyond trade? Are you with me on this one? So always great to hear from you guys in the comments. I look forward to tomorrow's cherry bomb trade. If you haven't already hit that like button, would you consider doing that? Because you know what? If you made it this far, here's your like. Here's your thumbs up. I appreciate you. All right, everybody. I'll see you in tomorrow's cherry bomb. Until then, happy trading.